Interesting viewpoints, Ted. Several excellent points. And honestly, I think there's a massive incentive for healthcare to do fraud, waste, and abuse from a financial and cost reduction standpoint. Healthcare is under huge cost reduction pressure, right? And anything that they can do to reduce cost and improve efficiency is very, very well motivated. But Heather, you made some really good points around trust. And, honestly, I don't think, co-panelists tell me if you disagree, but I don't think we'd have problems selling healthcare organizations on you could do fraud, waste, and abuse better if you collaborated, right? I think it's more around, building the consortiums, building the trust to a point where they're actually willing to share data, they're willing to transact on a blockchain. There's a couple of places you can get started with AI and blockchain. This one, there's a link at the bottom, but there's a blueprint that includes, executable code, test data, security and compliance support, as well as documentation. And the idea there is get you up and running very quickly with AI in the cloud, and then give you a starting point that you can customize from to rapidly close the gap with whatever your particular use case. So that's one of the things I wanted to share. The other one is a resource for blockchain. The Azure Blockchain Workbench is a rapid prototyping environment. You can get started with blockchain very quickly, rapid prototype in the cloud, deploy in the cloud. It's running on enterprise Ethereum. We will be adding Hyperledger Fabric and R3 Corda, but if you want to get started rapidly with blockchain to explore its use for fraud, waste, and abuse, that's a great place to start, and enable you to focus mostly on the business problem and results rather than the complexity of the technologies and deployment environment. Lots of further resources, invite you to visit those. You'll get the slides, you can click through. And lastly, just sharing my contact info with you. These subjects, blockchain, AI, the combination of AI and blockchain, very fast evolving, right? And a lot of what we'll share today is not stuff you can just pick up a textbook and read yet, right? So if you're looking to follow the sort of forefront of this, I definitely encourage you to reach out to me and Ted and Dr. Randall and Heather. We post regularly on these subjects and would love to collaborate with you.